What's up, fishing peeps? Welcome to Fishing Mayhem. Today I received the Lowrance active target transducer that I purchased from Bass Pro Shop. I am super excited to go ahead and unbox this for you. I looked everywhere on the internet for an unboxing before I received it, and I figured, hey, I haven't seen one yet, so why not do an unboxing for anybody that's interested? So as you can see here from the box, we have a nice, a cardboard shell around the box to keep everything tucked in. You see the active target transducer here. You see the receiver box that everything plugs into there. Right here we have high resolution live sonar, forward and down and scout views. Trolling motor mounts included, very important to know. Here on this side of the box is just a bunch of other information. On the back, as you can see on the back of the box, we have the different views that it shows, and it's showcasing that you have your scout view, which is your kind of landscape view where you're seeing what's in front of you, similar to what a Humminbird 360 gives you. Then you have your forward view, which is your traditional Garmin Panoptix live scope that you get and you usually will use. And then over here you have your down view where you can actually have it look straight down underneath the boat, and you can see what's around you and typically deeper depths and for just jigging up and down. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. All right, let's slide this off. Excellent. I'll go ahead and take this sleeve, as you can see, set it over here. All right, let's rotate it. All right, what we have here, cool. Welcome to the team. Let's get started. I love it. Thanks, Lowrance. Has this cool slide out piece, sustainability, a lot of good information on there. All right, we have the installation manual in the box. That's excellent. As you can see on the right hand side, we'll start from the far right. All right, I see we have our first mount. This is going to be the trolling motor shaft mount, or a separate pole mount where you mount it to a pole and then you can turn it with your hand. This would be the scout view where you would take the transducer. I'll just go ahead and pull this out, and then you would put it on the mount in this way, so that way it would be in that scout mount. And then as you can see, I guess you can turn this knob right here and then you can rotate it. I won't get too in depth on this. I plan on doing a bit more of a deep dive of how to set it up and how to potentially configure it for any applications that you have. So for now, I'm just going to set this off to the side. Let me go ahead and pull out the head unit of it. All right, as you can see here, you have your Ethernet, you have your power, and you have your sonar. And so that way, that's where you plug everything into your, you plug everything into it, and then it goes from the Ethernet to your graph. It has some nice mounting holes to mount it anywhere in your boat, rod locker, maybe underneath your console, wherever it makes sense for you. All right, let's see. Some pretty neat, dense construction on that. Nice, keep it nice and safe. Let's pull this out. It's two-piece. All right, setting everything off to the side. All right, some more cardboard, setting it off to the side. All right, we have a box with some mounting hardware, I would imagine. And then we have the Ethernet cable, which is excellent. Looks like it's nice and long. Have no problem getting to your graph from the head unit. And then we have the transducer and the cable. This is a really long cable, which is excellent. Definitely a lot of length for it, so you can mount the head unit anywhere you have in your boat. And I know I'm calling the head unit the wrong name. I don't really know the name of it. This mount is the one that's going to be for your trolling motor, where you'll have your clamp that wraps around the trolling motor. Will go through these two pieces right here, and you'll tighten it down to your trolling motor. Of course, if you had it mounted to your trolling motor in this way, it would be the scout mode. And if you had it in this way, it would be the forward mode or the down mode. So you'd have the transducer facing this direction or down. So it's really nice that it comes with these two different mounting brackets. And as we all know, the Garmin Panoptix live scope does not. Okay, underneath this cardboard, we have the power cable. So you see here it has blue, red, black, and yellow. Not too sure what those are for. We can cover those later on in a video. And it also comes with a clamp. Fantastic. I just really wouldn't have expected it to come with a clamp. All right, let me go ahead and get the box out of the way. All right, so to go over it in detail, as you can see here, I'm going to try to lay it all out in a manner that you can view it a little easier. All right, we have everything in the box. Should be in frame here, including the mounting hardware and the manual. Everything that came in the box, as you can see right here, again, we have the power cable, we have the manual, we actually have the receiving head unit that you plug everything into, and then it goes from here to your graph. We have the pole mount or trolling motor shaft mount bracket right here. We have the trolling motor to the trolling motor bracket right here. And then it comes with a clamp for your trolling motor. That's really nice. We have the Ethernet cable that comes with it, nice and long, excellent for use. And then of course we have the transducer itself. And the transducer, I'm not sure if you're familiar, it's actually a little bit longer than the Panoptics, and that is supposed to give it more crystals so it gets a cleaner image while you're looking for fish. And I haven't had a chance to use this yet, so I cannot speak to its effectiveness, but from what I've seen so far, it is a lot clearer than the Panoptics, and it seems like it's going to be a lot easier to use with the different mounting brackets that it comes with out of the box. You do not have to pay for anything extra. So overall, I'm really excited. I'm really impressed with everything that came in the box, and I'm really looking forward to getting it installed, getting out on the water, and taking a look at some fish biting my lures. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate you being here. Again, if you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button, and be looking out for the next video of a deeper dive into the features of the Lowrance Active Target and potentially what it looks like on the water. I hope to give you more content soon. What's up, peep? Where's my gross soda? What's up, fishing peeps? Thanks for... Nope.
Now you know why I have outtakes.
Nope. My hat's still straight. Your actual thanks for coming along. Appreciate you taking a look at this video. If you could, give a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you liked it. And hope to see you on the next video.